Hello everyone. I wanted to do one more follow-up video to the previous video which we just did, which was setting up unique permissions at a page level. So I wanted to show you guys what happens when we make changes at a site level, and then just go ahead and check. We have three pages right now on our site. So I want to go ahead and check the page that is inheriting from the parent, which is at the site level, and then we're going to compare it to the site that has unique permissions. And I just want to really drive home the point with you guys that when we're making these changes here at a site level, that it's not going to make any changes to the page that has the unique permissions. And the same thing would apply if we had unique permissions at a folder level or at a file level. So let's go over here to Site Permissions and come over to Advanced Permission Settings. And right now, these are the only groups that we have. So we have these three groups showing up at the site level. Now, what we're going to do is I had this open in another tab. So this is the frequently asked questions is the one that we have with the unique permissions. So we're going to open that one up. And then we have home, which isn't used, but it should still be inheriting from the site level. So advanced permissions. Okay. So this one right here is inheriting from the parent. And then this is the one with the unique permissions, which is the frequently asked questions page. Now, let's go ahead and make change here. So let's go ahead and grant permissions to new group. We'll add new group back. And we'll give them contribute. Okay, so you see at a site level, now this group has been added. However, we go over here to the unique permissions page, nothing has changed. It's going to stay the same. So unique permissions, it's going to be that way until someone goes in and changes it on that page itself. Or if we wanted to bring it back to where we are inheriting from the parent, we could just come over here to delete unique permissions, and then it would revert back to whatever the site level permissions are. Now on this page, if we refresh the page, we should see that group added. Yep, there we go. We have new group. So unless unique permissions are in place, so essentially in a nutshell, unless unique permissions are in place and you make a change at the site level, that's going to trickle down to everything. Every folder, every file, every page that doesn't have unique permissions is going to go ahead and inherit from the parent.